Hello folks, my name's Dave Schulke and I'm Jim Schulke. We're with the Twin Home Experts. Welcome to our 2 Hack Tuesday, where we provide you 2 hacks every Tuesday, making your life a little easier. Folks, are you wanting a great place to hide your keys for family and friends? Well, I've got the hack for you. And I've got a hack to show you how to remove a stripped screw using a simple rubber band. Let's do it. Isn't that frustrating? All you need is a rubber band. Put it over the screw head like that. Stretch it a little bit. Put the screwdriver inside, and there you go. Now you can replace the screw. Folks, what do keys and pipes have to do with one another? Well, let me show you. This is such a great little hack that you can use. We use it all the time on job sites because we have so many people coming in and out of a building. We only get one key sometimes. So this is a great way to hide the keys and keep the job going. All right, folks, so what you're gonna need for this Hideaway key is you're gonna need an all glue ABS 4-inch cap. Got that? All right, second thing you're gonna need is a female street adapter, okay? And a hex head cap that screws in just like that, okay? The other thing you're gonna need is some ABS glue. You're gonna take the ABS glue. What you're gonna do is you're gonna apply a little bit of glue inside the 4-inch cap, like this. You don't need a lot. Once you get it glued, go ahead and glue it together. Hold it for about 4 seconds. Once you do that, now you've got a nice, tight, sealed cap. So go ahead and meet me at the front door, and I'm going to show you what this looks like. All right, folks, as you know, we all do it. We either put the keys underneath the carpet or underneath the pot. You know that's a dead giveaway. Just dig a nice little hole here. Go ahead and plant this inside. Put the dirt back around. Check it out, folks. Right there. Right inside this clean out here. And what it looks like is a sewer clean out. You know where the plumbers put their cables to clean your sewer line? It's a great spot. Who would ever think? Hello folks, thanks for hanging out with us on our 2 Hack Tuesday. If we can help you hack your life, please comment down below. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you next time.